Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amir Akasha from SEM 1C. Okay, first we must open the command prompt and type not not alright. Okay, and then we take this link http 127.0.01a. We take this link and then click when we go to the not right website. Okay, okay. Today I want to show you and to present how to setting and how to find the real-time data of temperature at this world. Okay, first we use a MQTT in, and then we use a debug, and lastly we use a network, and then take a text, gauge, and charge. Okay, in MQTT in, we put the server broker.hivemq.com double dot 1883. We must type this at the server. After that we update and done, and then the topic we type mim slash intro to IOT slash temperature temperature, and then click done. After that we go to debug, and then we must set the message payload. The message payload, we can see the message at the debug to see the how much temperature at the time, like 9:44. We want to know what the temperature on the that time, and then we click done. After that we connect the MQTT in to the debug. Okay, after that we want to setting the text, gush, and the chart. Firstly we go to the chart, and then we setting the group name. Okay, I take a room, and then this tab I take my name Kasha 1C, and then click update. After that the label we put the temperature, and then I take the line chart, and we can also setting the range of the y-axis. I take from range 10 to the 50. After that we click the done, and then go to the gauge. Just the same step, you set the group name and your name of the this gauge, and set the tolerance. I set the range. I take the 10, and maximum range I take 50, 55. And then the color is okay. Is option you want to choose. After that we click the done, and lastly we click add the text, and as usually the label temperature value format is message the payload, and the layout is up to you. We want to use which one. I take this one, label value, the label on the top and the value on the bottom. So done. After that we must make sure the debug this button is on the green. That means it's activate. After that deploy. Okay, successful deploy, and we can see at the right corner the debug message at the time 5 9 at the time 9:56 p.m. today 11 slash 7 slash 2023. The temperature is 34.63 Celsius, and I forgot to you, and at this the unit is up to what you choose. I choose temperature, and then we must put the degree Celsius. This unit play the important thing in this setting. Okay, and then we want to see where the temperature, where the charge, where the text goes. First, we click the uh, triangle, click dashboard, and then we setting first the layout. Okay, click the layout, and I setting the layout is width 20, temperature at the left, and the right is gauge, and at the middle I put the temperature text. And today, after we done setting, click done, deploy, and then you must make sure this MQTT in is connected. It's a color green, not yellow. It must connected. After done setting all these things, we can click at this right bottom, at this right top bottom, click the arrow, and then tada! This is my uh, what you say, my template of the temperature. Sorry, the line is low because I use a student Wi-Fi. The line is low, so this is my template. Full template like this. Yeah, like this. Like this, the template fully. We can see the temperature is going up, and the temperature at the gauge with the left, and this text.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Ahmed Daniel, and today I will explain how to collect data from MQTT broker. So, firstly, we need to type node dash rate in the command prompt. After that, we will get the server, that is HTTPS, this one. After that, it will connect us to the broker, mqtt/broker.hivemq.com. Then we will open the node rate. So the node that we will use is mqtt in debug, and also chart. Other than that, we will also use the gauge and also the text node. So firstly, in the debug node, I type message.payload. This is to display the message that we will receive if we search for the data. So let's say the data that I want to collect is humidity. So I will enter the label as humidity like this. And for the type of chart, I use the line chart. However, we can also use other than line chart, that is bar chart or pie chart, polar area chart, or radar chart. Next one, we can also adjust the colors. It doesn't matter which color you choose, just choose what you want. Next one, in the humidity gauge node, in the label I will put humidity gauge, and the unit must be the humidity unit. For the range, we can also type in what the minimum and the maximum unit that we want for this type of humidity gauge, I use the minimum 36 and max 40. And for the last one, for the edit text node, uh, I use humidity, and I put the unit in a bracket that is percentage RH. The value format is also the same, message.payload. For this node, you can adjust the layout, whether you want to choose the label at the left or value at the right, or you can also choose label at the top and value at the bottom. After we done connecting these nodes, we can adjust the full layout using this dashboard layout editor. As you can see, I can adjust the width, and I can put them wherever I want, and done. So after we have successfully connected these nodes, we will tap deploy and wait for it to connect to the server. So the outcome will be like this as we reorganize the layout. The graph will be at the left, the gauge will be at the right, and in the middle will be the text humidity with the unit.
Hello, Assalamualaikum and selamat datang. And today I'm going to present about how to collect data from MQTT broker and plot the data. And is I'm going to use a node MQTT in chart debug and some and anymore. Okay, and then firstly I'm gonna click command prompt. Okay, and then wait, and then we need to type node right, and then click enter, and we need to wait, and we need to get the link. As you can see, this we must click this, click center and M1 mouse and click like this. Okay, okay, this okay. Need Okay, I'm gonna to do presenting about the editing MQTT in Node. Okay, first we must to type the broker dot hive mq dot com dot 21883. We must to use it, and then action is subscribe to selecting topic. Okay, okay, topic we must to type a meme dot slash intro IOT dot slash altitude, and I and also we can use the MQTT. Like I said, I'm going to use name MQTT Chaloy or any, or like Aisa, or anything you want to use your name. Okay, click done, and then this, and then I want to know label. We must, like I said, I want to use the altitude, and we must to use the altitude. Okay, line chart, we must like I want to use the line chart, and you guys you can use anything you want, like bar chart and pie chart, polar area chart, or radial chart. Like I want to use the, like I said, I want to use a line chart. Sorry about that. Sorry. and the y axis is I want to use the 0, ms is 100. I'm sorry. Okay, first, okay, I want first we must to use the gloves, and I want to use the gloves, and you guys can use the donut, compass, and level. Like I want to use the gloves, and the label we must to use. Like I said, I want to use the altitude glove, and if you want to use humidity, you must to type humidity glove. And unit is very important because we will not to get the information, like you want to know the data from this area, you know. And then click the done, and the text not edit. We must label, like I said, label the altitude, um what hash, and messages must be msg dot payload, and your play layout, and you guys can use the layout like label value, like need this and this. Like I said, I want to use this, and debug we must to use msg dot and use the payload. And then after we done the editing this, click the deploy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, because okay, successfully deploy, and then click this debug message. Wait, you need to wait then for 1 minutes. See, is altitude is 93.101. And no, it's coming right. And then click this the arrow, and then click the dashboard, and then click this side, this like I said, this is the not dashboard for all altitude. Like I said, is for now is 26.2013. See, it's different. Uh, okay, that's all for me, and thank you for listening for me, and I'm sorry if I just something wrong I want to say, and first forgive me, okay? And then goodbye, and assalamualaikum.